All right, let's talk about Bitcoin. It's been on an absolute tear. And the big question on every single investor's mind is what's next? Are we really on the road to $100,000? Or is there a major correction just waiting around the corner? Let's break it all down. So, first things first, let's just look at the number that has everyone talking. Bitcoin just smashed through the $92,000 mark. And look, this isn't just another number on a chart. It's a huge psychological barrier, and breaking it has totally supercharged the excitement in the market. But here's the thing, this incredible peak didn't just come out of thin air. You've got to remember, the crypto market actually kicked off 2026 with a ton of volatility. I mean, it was a really rocky start. And that's what makes this sudden massive surge so interesting and maybe a little uncertain. And this isn't just some niche crypto story anymore, not by a long shot. You've got seasoned stock market investors suddenly paying very close attention, while the longtime crypto folks are feeling totally vindicated. The buzz is just undeniable, and it all boils down to that one question: where do we go from here? So, with $92,000 basically in the rearview mirror, everyone's attention is already snapping to the next big thing. And it's a huge psychological and financial milestone. Analysts are now seriously talking about a six-figure Bitcoin. And just look at the timeline here. According to CoinDesk, some analysts aren't saying 100 grand by the end of the year. No, they're saying by the end of this month. A prediction that aggressive? I mean, that puts a ton of pressure on the market. It really sets the stage for a dramatic showdown. And that brings us right to the heart of the conflict, doesn't it? Is all this powerful momentum the start of a real sustained rally? Or is the market just way overextended and due for a sharp, painful correction? It's that classic tug of war between wild optimism and cautious realism. So here are the two competing forces in a nutshell. On one side, you have the rocket ship. It's pure momentum, right? Fueled by these bold predictions of a $100,000 price tag. But on the other side, you've got the roller coaster, a stark reminder of that recent volatility and the gut-wrenching drops that can follow these incredible highs. So how do we even begin to answer this $100,000 question? Well, it's not about just guessing or hoping. The real answer lies in two key factors that are going to determine whether this momentum can actually beat out the market's underlying instability. Okay, so if we're going to figure out what's really next, we have to look beyond just the price chart. It's time to dig into the key factors that are actually going to decide what the road ahead looks like for Bitcoin. Now, according to the sources we're looking at, it really boils down to two things. First up, technical levels. Just think of these as lines in the sand that traders are watching like hawks. If Bitcoin can stay above a key support level, that signals strength. But if it breaks below, well, that could trigger a lot more selling. And second, and this might be even more important, is institutional demand. Are the big investment firms, the ETFs, are they still buying in? Because their massive capital is the fuel this rally needs to keep climbing. So really, the most crucial point here is this: that journey to $100,000, it's not about hype, it's not about hope, it's a path that is 100% dependent on these real, tangible market forces. Whether Bitcoin can keep its footing and continue this climb will be decided by the data, not just by all the excitement. And so that leaves us right on a knife's edge. Will that flood of institutional money be enough to push Bitcoin past all those technical hurdles and up towards that $100,000 milestone? Or will the memory of all that recent volatility make traders pull back? The next few weeks are going to be absolutely critical to watch.